Europe needs to go beyond its borders, literally. As European citizens, we all need to redraw a new map of Europe, whose borders don't stop at the borders of its more extreme member states, but go further, towards the Mediterranean area and Africa, towards Eastern Europe and the Middle East, towards the borders of Asia, towards Central and South America, towards the so-called third states, towards the world which is knocking at its doors. Only this way, Europe can become a place of real exchange, inclusive of all new citizens who arrive there through migration. A city for a new expanded concept of citizenship, meaning rights, democracy, fruitful diversity, enriching dialogue, reciprocity. Europe needs a new narrative against all racism and xenophobia to foster real development and social cohesion. Europe was born after World War II as a brave project of peace, but young people don't feel this first seed as strongly as their grandparents did. We need new symbols and actions to reconnect the past to the future through more human contemporary times. In this path, education, culture and the arts have a key role. They can make our minds more flexible, teach us teamwork, empathy, exchange, coexistence, because they simply already work like this. That can generate projects to foster intercultural and intergenerational dialogue, which means encouraging all generations from all possible cultures to give each other contributions. Europe is not only a geographical map, it is neither merely an economic community, nor simply a strategic union of different states for global political aims. Europe is culture, was born on culture. Culture was its core in ancient times and can become its underpinning for the future. And culture means cultures. To pursue this, Europe has to foster with all its means educational, cultural, artistic projects involving citizens actively and going beyond single disciplines to build new cross-cultural expertises where artists meet educators, sociologists feed cultural mediators, historians work side to side with activists, and all this work together with European citizens, including new citizens. What can Europe do to renew its identity? Work on local communities, building networks to empower people, then take them on to the international level by means of more open and easier European projects. Make mobility of artistic and cultural workers from third states easier. Invest on culture as on a strong economic sector, able to feed our economy with strong, capable workers. That's what we're trying to do since 20 years with our theatre company in Bologna, Italy. We work with kids and teens in nearby schools, while at the same time tour our shows on contemporary issues like migration and implement international projects. We built a traveling theatre in a former city bus, worked in Palestinian refugee camps, invited sociologists to share their research with us, getting our hands dirty in action with a project called Crossing Paths, Acting Diversity, Memory Maps. What can Europe do for all of us? Help us get our hands dirty for it.